Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Kwikset Powerbolt to Keypad Door Lock in 2026. So whether you have just installed a lock or you are using it for the very first time, I will walk you through the basic functions including locking, unlocking, managing the user codes, etc. So first of all, you need to take a look at the keypad, which is going to look something like this. Over here, you are going to see this type of large lock button at the middle that is used for locking the door and confirming the programming commands. So the number buttons are used to enter the user codes and the master code function. Now to lock the door, you just have to simply press this particular lock button once. You don't need to enter a code to lock the Powerbolt 2. The deadbolt should extend automatically when you press the lock button, and it will also secure the door. So this is the fastest way for you to lock the door when you are leaving your home. Now, in order to unlock the door, you just have to simply enter your programmed user code on the keypad. So after entering the code, you just have to again press the lock button, and if the code is correct, the deadbolt will retract and the door is going to unlock. Now you can also use the key as a backup. So if the batteries are dead or the keypad is not responding at all, you can just still use the key in order to basically unlock the door. You just have to simply insert this key into this particular cylinder, and then you just have to turn it to operate the deadbolt manually. So this backup method ensures that you are not locked out if electronic functions stop working. Now on the interior side of the lock, you are going to see a thumb turn. So you just have to rotate it on one direction in order to lock the deadbolt and the opposite direction in order to unlock it. So no code or battery power is required when you are operating the lock from the inside of the home. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.